How do I press down on ukulele strings correctly?
Hello there, aspiring ukulele maestros. Today we're going to focus on an essential aspect of playing this charming instrument, pressing down on the ukulele strings correctly. This skill is crucial for clear, resonant notes, and today, you'll learn just how to do it.
What does it mean to press down on the strings correctly?
Pressing down on the ukulele strings correctly involves applying the right amount of pressure to the strings with your fingertips. Too much, and you can strain your fingers. Too little, and the sound may not resonate well. It's all about achieving a balance and getting clear, beautiful sounds without causing discomfort to your fingers.
How do you press down correctly?
To press down correctly, follow these steps. 1. Hold your ukulele properly. It should rest against your body, with the neck pointing upwards at around a 45-degree angle. The positioning should feel comfortable. 2. Position your fingers. Use the tips of your fingers to press down on the strings. The fingers should come down on the strings almost perpendicularly, not at a sharp angle. 3. Apply pressure. Apply enough pressure to make the string contact the fretboard. The string should produce a clear sound when plucked. If the sound is buzzy or muted, adjust your pressure. 4. Relax your hand. Don't squeeze the neck of the ukulele. Your hand should be relaxed, and your thumb should be positioned at the back of the neck, providing a counter pressure to the fingers pressing the strings.
What are some common mistakes to avoid?
Common mistakes to avoid when pressing down on ukulele strings include 1. Pressing too hard. This can cause your fingers to tire quickly, leading to discomfort or pain. You only need enough pressure for the string to make clear contact with the fretboard. 2. Pressing too lightly. This can cause a buzzing sound or a muted note, as the string isn't fully contacting the fretboard. 3. Using the flat of your fingers instead of the tips. This can lead to other strings being accidentally muted. Regular practice is key to overcoming these challenges. Pressing down on ukulele strings correctly is fundamental to producing great sound. It's all about finding the right balance, applying enough pressure for clear notes, but not so much that your fingers become strained. Keep practicing, remain patient, and soon enough, you'll master this essential ukulele technique. Keep strumming and enjoy your musical journey.